I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now start by installing a client. Pip install requests or HTTPX. Next, you must secure the API key and store it in an environment variable so credentials never live in code. Once done, inspect the endpoint documentation to pick the correct method and required headers, like authorization and content type. You'll build a minimal request next, passing headers and parameters. This first action verifies connectivity and gives you the raw JSON to work with. After a successful response, check status codes immediately, handle errors before parsing. You'll call response JSON to get native Python structures, then normalize nested objects with pandas. JSON normalize or iterate to flatten lists into rows. Also, make sure to implement pagination. Follow next links, use offset/limit or cursor tokens in a loop until no more pages. While looping, collect results into a list and periodically convert to a data frame to validate schema and types, so downstream code stays stable. Now transform the payload. Cast numeric types, parse ISO dates, remove duplicates, and standardize field names so consumers get consistent data. Once ready, write to CSV, Parquet, or push to your database using chunked inserts for large sets. Finally, add robust error handling. Log response headers and body, implement exponential backoff, retries for transient errors, and validate schema after load. If something breaks, check rate limits and auth. Rerun a single failed page to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.